good. Hot. Welcome to my poorly lit kitchen. This is the season 2 premiere of Welcome to Denzel's World. Man, it's been a while. Some of you probably been wondering, where the heck have I been? Well, I took a break from doing videos and had some personal things to deal with. But hey, we back. I posted a video. My last video I posted involved my Christian mum, and as of today it is at 15,105 views. And I want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has watched that video, but also a massive thank you to anyone and everyone who has joined and subscribed to this channel, Denzel from God Given Talent. Sorry, I'm just a bit all over the place. Thank you for subscribing, and because of your subscription, I'm going to celebrate today by cooking myself some dinner. I'm hungry, and well, I'm cooking myself a burger. A thing you should know about me, I cannot eat bread. Yes, in my last burger video I did eat bread, but I regretted it the next day. What is our alternative, you might ask? These are called rice buns. What is a rice bun, you might ask? Well, I'm glad you asked, because a rice bun, well, how do you make one? That's probably the better question to ask. Get a bowl, you can YouTube it, how to make rice bun. Get some Glad wrap into the bowl, and then I prefer jasmine white rice. While it's hot, put it in some Glad wrap in the bowl, squish it down together into like a bun, and then cool it overnight, and this is what, and it'll hold its form. I'm going to be chucking these in the oven and cooking them, because that's what keeps it together when you bite into the burger. Yep. You want to put your oven on to grill, and then 100 and something degrees, just make it hot, and chuck them in there. Okay, there's no real time on how long they should be in there. My best gauge is you just do it when the rice is crispy on the top, flip it over so you crisp the other side. So just do it as long as you feel best. No rules. Now that I've shown you how to make, well, I didn't show you how to make it, I just told you, and I showed you the end result. How we're going to make our burgers gluten-free. Now it's time to make what a burger requires, which is meat right between two buns. And yeah, well, put your heater on, and this burger recipe could be used with normal bread, and you don't have to use rice buns. But for all those gluten-free people, wheat-free, dairy-free, yeast-free people like myself, and no, it's not a choice, it's not a diet fad, you can, and they're much more healthier and more delicious. Anyway, while that heats up, I've got our, oh man, I can't wait till I get proper lighting in this house. I've got two just normal mints. Just want to season these with a bit of salt and pepper. Don't go easy on the salt. Yeah, that should be enough. I always like to not waste any. Yeah. Now, that's hot-ish. Before you put your buns, patties down, put some garlic. No need for oil, because there's enough oil in the meat. What I like to do is put these on top of the garlic, so that the garlic infuses with the meat, And yep. And we're gonna smash these patties down. And then you just wanna like press really, really hard. Flatten them to about the size of your buns. Which, yeah, that seems to be right. Trying to do this with one hand. One day I'll have a budget with a crew to make this cooking show dream a bit more entertaining and better looking. So you just want them to heat up, to brown up. My stove takes a while to heat up, so give it some time. But yours should be already preheated. Mine wasn't. And yeah, you just want to brown them each side. What I like to do to my burgers is add a bit of onion slices. Ooh. Just like this. Yes. That's where the steam of the meat can get into the onion. And then when we flip these patties, then the onion will be caramelized because they'll be underneath the patty. Look, if you watch my last video, this all makes sense. So yeah. I was smelling these and I think, just get them out here. Let's get here. Now what you want to see is, well, you can't really see it because there's no color, but you can see that it's browned up a bit. That's not what we want. That is what we want. And it's a bit crispy, it's a bit firm to touch. They're not too hard, which is good because that's going to be where we're going to put the meat. What we got to do, maybe use something else. So you just want to grab a spatula and flip it over to the other side so that side gets some crispiness to it. Crispy goodness. I recommend using some aluminium foil so it doesn't stick. I think that's what aluminium foil is meant to actually do. And these are going back in the oven. Right. Whilst they're cooking, I've chopped up some green capsicum about this shape. I actually can't eat tomatoes. Another part of my confusing diet that I'm letting you guys know. And I'm just gonna chuck them in to a pan, heat them up, roast them, use the oils coming from the meat or the mince to, I don't know, yeah. Look, I'm not a professional chef. I just like making good burgers and delicious food. These patties are now ready to flip. Oh man, that was what meant to happen. There we go. They did shrink a bit. Shrinked a bit too much. But it's all good. And while that's happening, some cheese. I don't have any sliced cheese, this is all I got left, but we can have a whole lot of fun with this type of cheese. Probably not safe to touch the pan. Could use a bit longer. Just feel to touch. There's no time limit. Just when it's crispy.
A few moments later.
Let's check if our burger buns are ready. Firm to touch, yes, yes, crispy. Thumbs up, they're ready. Oh no. Ah. Anyway, we're always going to have problems at some point. That one was a good one. Ow! Struck a light. Okay. I found this sauce in the fridge. Most likely my roommate's sauce. Hey, is this yours?
Yeah.
Can I use it, please?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I'm going to put it on this. Like how the heck? There we go. We'll get our top bun. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, we won't bother spreading. Oh, wait. Good to spread your sauce. Adds flavour. Wait, what is this flavour? Dijon mustard mayonnaise. Yeah, that sounds cool. Alright. Now we're ready to plate. We'll plate this one. Gonna plate our patty. We'll get a few of these. Maybe 3 of them. Oh wait, that didn't work. Bit of chili flakes. Oh, that's a bit too much. Bit of oregano. And then I think that should be enough. There we go. Oh, look at that. Strike a light. That looks good. Here's our burger. Let's get a really good picture of it. Look at that. Strike a light. That looks good. Let's move into the light more. Okay. So that's just a simple burger recipe with a gluten-free bun. Because, yeah, that's who I am. Alright, thank you Lord for this meal. Let's see if it tastes any good. Look at that, keeping its form, that's what we want. This is really good. Hot! Wow! Very good. Alright. Thank you so much for watching my rice burger bun burger cooking show demonstration. I enjoy making these videos, so please subscribe to the YouTube channel Denzel from God Given Talent. Stay tuned for more content because I've got some ideas. I just got to find some time to execute them. So I love you all. Thank you for watching today's poorly filmed, poorly lit, but has potential Welcome to Denzel's Kitchen cooking show.